Love, she sees apart from me. Cause I'm a sad, sad post chick. Caught up in the love machine like a zombie.
So, I actually can't believe that school starts today. Sorry, I'm so sad. Wow, what a beautiful day. I already have my outfit planned. I laid out all my stuff for today. Feeling mighty prepared. It wasn't recording. I'm really sad it didn't record for my little outfit switch, but here's my fit for today. Hello, focus. Oh, there we go. Here's my fit for today. And I'll probably wear some Vans or something. I don't know yet. Now, it is 7:50. And I'm trying to leave the house by 8:30 and get there at like, I have no clue how long it's gonna take to get there because I have no clue with like traffic or anything. So I'm just like keeping it safe and I'm leaving a whole like hour early. And then, sorry, I can't really talk while I multitask or like while I put makeup on. It's really hard for me to focus a lot for makeup. My goal is to do my makeup in 10 minutes, and then I have 30 minutes for breakfast. I don't know how y'all people do it, where you don't eat breakfast in the morning. That literally sucks. Breakfast is so important. So, I'm gonna have breakfast for 30 minutes. It's gonna be a nice time. I'm gonna make like an omelet or something because, you know, starting off the day right. And then I'm gonna drive to school. Maybe I'll vlog that, I don't know yet. All of this is new, so it's like I'm at a completely new school and stuff. So I'll just tell you guys while I get ready. I'll talk a little bit because I'm not really doing anything, you know. Basically, if you didn't know, Running Start, it's a program that a lot of West Coast high schools do. Mostly, it started in Washington, so it's mostly just Washington schools. It's not like super well known, but basically it's like a dual credit program where high school students can take courses at the local community college, or it doesn't even have to be a community college because the college I'm going to isn't a community college anymore, but like a local college, and you can get dual credits. You're getting your high school credits and college credits at the same time, so you're still graduating high school, but then those credits can transfer over to college. So basically it just saves a lot of time and money. I'm doing it full time, which means I'm taking 3 college classes, so that also means that I have a lot more time on my hands, which is really nice. Well, actually I can't say that because I haven't started yet, so I don't know what it's like. I have 1 online class, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully that's nice. So that's like kind of why I was unsure about just like vlogging today or vlogging school in general, because it's like most of it's really independent, so it might not be interesting because there's not going to be like a bunch of friends in the vlog or anything. So it's mostly like getting ready for my day. I'm probably not going to vlog at school because all the like professors and like college students, that means I'm like in class with like 30-year-olds and stuff, they're gonna be like, what the heck? Or like, that's what I'm expecting. And I'm trying to go in with an open mind, but to be completely honest, I'm freaking out a bit. I'm really nervous. Oh, I suck at putting mascara on and stuff. That's good enough. This is for real the best part because I suck at putting mascara on. So I always have to do this. There we go. I missed. Now we are ready. My jacket and my backpack. I packed up my backpack and stuff last night. Got all ready for the big day. Now it's time for the thumbnail pic. Okay, and we out the door. It is 8. Perfect timing. Wow, go me. What shoes goes with my outfit? I think I'm just gonna go with the basic slip-on Vans like I do every day.
The white shirt will be ready too.
Breakfast.
Movies. I like spicy food. I like getting my face to sweat. I see you.
Bye, love you. Guys, I cleaned out my trunk yesterday and it feels so clean. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, see, it's so cold. Oh my goodness. I can't tell if it's in frame, but we're just hoping for the best. Camera might like randomly fall down and there might be ribbons in front. Leaving a whole hour early for class. If I still don't make it there on time, I'm gonna be kind of mad. Okay, so just for the sake of memories, hi guys, I'm Melanie. I'm 16 years old. And today's my first day of junior year. I'm so scared that I'm forgetting something, but I don't think I am. I'm always cold. Hope I don't die, because I suck at driving in traffic. And I suck at parking garages. And I'm going to be parking in a parking garage. Turn. Okay guys, also, don't get me wrong. This video may make me seem like I really have my life together because I feel like this morning went by really smoothly. Like, I wasn't even that tired when I woke up. And like, I made breakfast and everything was like on time. But trust me, it's the first day. So I'm working really hard for this, okay? I feel like it usually doesn't go this smoothly. And by the middle of the year, I'm probably gonna be leaving like 10 minutes before class. Okay, I'm like 5% excited, 80% nervous, and what's the rest? 15% scared. If me talking about like running start and everything like bores you guys to death, you can tell me. Like, I'll stop talking about it. Dude, it's like the best feeling. So like when you get in your car in the morning and you're like freezing, but then when it gets all toasty and warm, it feels so good. But then you like don't want to leave. And then you have to get out and go to school and die. Okay, I'm done vlogging. Bye. Just finished my first day of college. Okay, my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna switch to my phone. BRB. Okay, so first off, I'm super annoyed because my camera was at full battery this morning and it's already dead. What the heck? Okay, so I finished my first day of college, or junior year, whatever. I'm waiting in the parking lot because there's so much freaking traffic here. You literally like can't move, like you can't get out, and I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this. So basically what happened this morning, I stopped vlogging because my camera died. I drove to school. It took like maybe 30 minutes. The traffic was bad, but it wasn't like terrible. So it usually takes like maybe 15-20 minutes to get here, and it took like 30, which is fine, right? But then I get here and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna park in the parking garage because that's what I planned out. It's close to my classes and whatnot. And so I drive around the freaking parking garage for like 30 minutes. And I was like, what the heck, man? I was so annoyed. There was literally no spots at all. And I don't know what I was expecting, but there was no spots, and it was like bumper to bumper, and I was super stressed out. And so I was like, I don't know where to freaking park. So then I had to drive around like the school and all the different parking lots and find a spot, and it was super hard. And like I had to walk super far, and I was like, oh my god, like I'm gonna die. Because when it's like today it was fine because it's all like nice out. You can't really tell, but it's nice out. But then I was like, well, when it's like raining and snowing, I'm gonna die. The funny part of the story that's actually not that funny, I literally toured the school right yesterday, and I looked at my classes and I found the rooms and stuff, but like somehow, dumb me, like I switched the room numbers. So I have business first and then I have psych, and I thought for some reason I switched the room numbers, so I thought my psych room was my business class. So I walked to my first period, which was business, but I went to the psych room. So there was a bunch of people. I walked in, I sat down, and I was texting my friend, and I was like, yeah, I'm here. And she's like, yeah, I'm here too. And I was like, girl, like, stop playing with me. Like, I don't see you. And I was just like sitting and like staring around, looking all stupid. And I was like excited for the class because I was like, there's young people here, there's some cute people here. And I was like, And then I realized I'm in the freaking wrong class, and then I'm like, oh my gosh, like this is so embarrassing. So I stand up, and everyone's like probably like, what the heck's this girl doing? And I just run out of class, right? Because I have literally like 1 minute before class starts. And then I'm walking around the halls, and I'm like, I can't find my classroom, because I was at like 220 and I was looking for 203. And then I was like, I went to these random like ladies who were working there, and I was like, do you know where like L203 is or whatever? And they're like, L203? No. And I was like thinking in my head, like, what the heck, man? Like, you guys work here and you don't know where the rooms are. Like, what the heck? And then I look at my schedule and I realize I'm in the freaking wrong building, and it was so embarrassing. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. So then I figure out, finally, genius me, that I'm in, like, I actually switched my classes and I was in the completely wrong building. And so I have to run over to the other building, which isn't that far away, but mind you, I have like 2 minutes because I'm like freaking late, even though I left an hour before school. And so then I got there and I was late, and it was kind of awkward, and my friend laughed at me. But yeah, that's how my first day went. So I hope you guys pretty much enjoyed this school first day of junior year vlog. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Peace. Bye.